Hello.
Hello.
Hi, my name's Mark. I'm from Manchester.
Hello, Mark. How are you?
I'm
My
fine,
name
thanks.
is Ramzan.
Okay, it's Ramzan.
Yes, I am from India.
Good. Where are you from in India?
I am from the northern part of India, that is Jammu and Kashmir.
Ah, okay, cool. Kashmir. So
Yes.
Kashmir is always in the newspapers, yeah, always on the news. Yeah?
Yes, yes.
People fighting like the Chinese fighting, yeah, and the Indians and
Yes,
yeah,
yes,
the
yes.
Indians with the Pakistanis and the Chinese and yeah,
Yes, you are right.
yeah. But very beautiful, yeah, the biggest mountains there, yeah?
Yes, yes, yes.
Some of the biggest mountains in the world. Unbelievable, beautiful. So, can you tell me a little about yourself and your English?
Yes, sure. Actually, I am a software developer, so I am learning English because I have my clients in other countries, so they have only option to communicate with me in English. So I must have that type of communication skills so that I could understand their
Yeah.
problems and also share them related to projects. And if I am conducting any specific meeting, so I could better explain the things. So that's
Okay.
why I am working on my English communication.
Cool. And you speak very well, so you're doing well, yeah? You
Yeah,
speak very
yes,
you
yes.
speak
Actually, I'm.
no, because yeah.
Yeah,
No,
go ahead.
continue. How are you studying? No, you can continue.
Yes, yes. Actually, I was talking about that I am practicing here from last 1 month, and before that, I was trying to read and also try to speak. So in that way, I also worked on, and even that I was following one of the YouTube channel, and over there, I learned how to pronounce the words.
Yeah,
So
you
in that
really
way,
did.
I could able to, yeah,
Yeah.
perform my things. Yes.
Because yeah, usually the Indian accent is very strong and some people can have a difficulty, but your accent is very good. Your accent is very flat. So I can hear that you are from India, but it's very easy to understand you. You have a very good level of English. What did
Okay.
you
Thank you.
what do you find difficult in English, or is it easy?
Actually, I have only a single problem, that is like understanding the songs. So, for example, there are
Ah,
English songs,
okay.
so I couldn't able to catch those words,
Yeah, but I
pronunciation.
can't. If you ask most English, when you listen to a song in India, you listen to the music and your brain understands the music. Your brain doesn't understand every single word. And so when you listen to a song in English, you want to understand every word, but I don't understand every word. So
Okay.
In Brazil, some of my friends will say, "Mark, what did she say?" And I'll say, "She said, I don't know." Because when people sing, it's difficult to have every word, yeah. But in your own language, your brain is relaxed, no problem. I understand everything as a group, yeah. But when many people
Yes, yes, yes,
in
that's right.
Brazil, I live in Brazil now. Many people say, "Mark, what did she say?" And I didn't understand that. I don't understand. I listen and I understand that what she means. But if you say, "What's that word?" I'm gonna go. I don't know. So the best way with music, if you go to like a website like www.lyrics.com. So you listen to the sound of you go to the website, so you listen and read the words, yeah?
Yes, yes,
You
actually,
understand?
this is possible for me, but what exactly was the problem that when I watch any movie, so I could understand the words, but when I listen the song, so at that moment I couldn't able to understand what they are. In most of the cases, few words I could able to catch, but
Yeah.
not most of the words. Yes.
But music is very difficult, yeah. Because, for example, a music needs to sound beautiful. Imagine I have an expensive headset and I listen. The sound like s, like a s is ugly, yeah? S. So
Yes.
when they sing music, they don't say the letter S. So instead of saying I said hello, so s is ugly. So they don't say I said, they say I had hello. It
Yes. Yes.
changes the
Correct.
sound. Yeah, so if you're listening for the words, sometimes it's a little difficult. But if you listen as a group and you have the lyrics, easy, easy. Yeah,
Yes. 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 And even if we are listening a specific song for multiple times, so we could understand few of the words from that song.
exactly, exactly. And if you listen to lyrics and you understand the group, when you listen, you'll be like, yeah. Music is a very good way to remember groups of words, yeah?
Yes. Yes. Correct.
Instead of learning
So
grammar, you can learn like I should have gone, I would have been. You learn grammar with music is very easy.
yes. Correct. Correct. And you are working here, and do you have any other profession?
Yeah, I teach English in Brazil. I live in Brazil now. I teach English at the oil company in Brazil, the state oil company.
Okay.
So I'm an English teacher in Brazil.
So you mean that you are teaching English to professionals or in a school?
I teach English at the oil company. The Brazil has an oil company that belongs to Brazil. You understand? Like the state oil company.
So you
You
mean
understand?
OIL, oil. This one?
Yeah, exactly. So I
Okay.
teach English to executives in the oil company for Brazil. They work for the Brazilian government. You understand? Hello? Can you hear me? Oh, okay.
Hello.
Yeah, the internet cut a little.
Hello.
Okay.
Yes,
Hello, can
yes,
you hear
now I
me?
can hear you.
Good, yeah. Yeah, so my job here in Brazil is to teach English to people.
Okay, that's great. And can you
Yeah.
please tell me the best thing which you found in Brazil?
The best thing I found in Brazil was the beach.
Oh, so you went there?
The best thing I like in Brazil, especially now with COVID, I go for a run for 6 kilometers to the end of the beach and 6 kilometers back every day. And it
Every
makes me
day. So
very
you
happy.
go for walk?
12 kilometers a day on the beach. Very beautiful. And it's very good
Oh,
for my head. It's very good for my mental state.
yes, yes, of course. This is creating I mean, coolness in your mind and relaxation, right?
Yeah, exactly
Okay.
this. But
So other
for example, in
than
Brazil, there's 3,000 people that die every day of COVID.
in the
Every
beach?
day. No, 3,000 people die every day of COVID.
Okay, COVID because of.
Every day. So in Brazil, it's very crazy, the COVID.
Okay, this is a big number.
Very big number. And it's going like this. So soon it will be 4,000, 5,000, 6,000,
So the
out of
problem is
control.
like people are not taking care of themselves. The
Exactly.
rules are not strict.
Don't wear a mask. Don't stay at home.
Okay, so
I
they
stay
have
at
the
home.
liberty and
I
they are.
stay at home. I stay at home. But the most
Yes, yes,
Brazilian,
you should.
yeah, when they
You
say to
should.
Brazilian people, stay at home, Brazilian people, let's go to a barbecue. Oh, no. Very crazy. Yeah. But
Yes, yes, yes.
is it okay there in
So
Kashmir? Is good?
yes, yes, we have actually now. Yes, I heard about that there is the problem. So
Yeah.
earlier it was okay.
Okay. But it's finishing now, my friend. It's nice
Okay.
to meet you, okay?
Bye.